got here? An old structure and some very big birds on top of a building. On top of it, some very big chickens. Yeah, the roof needs a little work. It's a lot of rough grass and nails. I think I'm wearing my boots. This is not the area for flip-flops. Could have been part of a warehouse or some sort of company, factory or something. Ouch. Because I can see the tracks for the crane. Yeah, the roof looking, have seen better days. Yeah, they looking at me. Yeah, they giving me that look. Yeah, this is our territory. I don't want to mess with your stuff. I'm just looking. What do we have here? We got something in a hole. I'm not sure what this is. Something within that hole. I think something was fed up through this shaft, straight up and over and out that way. Quite interesting. This is what you find on the back roads of Texas. I want to say the restroom is out of order. I think we're finished here. Well, already then. I was about to get ready and leave until I seen this. There's another structure right behind this location, so I had to check it out. What could this be? It's like a kind of garage or something like this. Oh, that's what the back looked like. That's the back. Gotta take a picture of it. Oh, wow. A little workshop, I guess. The roof is not so bad. Not bad. Soft closed doors, huh? Yeah. It's well put together, better than the building in the front. Those birds are creeping me out. Condors, vultures, wherever they are. Very demonic chickens. Yeah, I think I head on out go to my little destination. Find some of the best places on my way to something. I wasn't planning on stopping here, but I had to. Alrighty, that is it.